has more than 2.5 hour press conference of Chief Minister Assam on the alleged Pakistan link of our PCC President Gaurav Gogoi. And I have heard each and every word of the Chief Minister very minutely, very carefully. And on behalf of party, I want to clarify, this is not my language. In the language of Chief Minister, I am going to clarify that perhaps you have remembered in the press conference, Chief Minister has first said that the SIT report, what we have placed before you, this is a not conclusive report. This is an incomplete report. We SIT we have some lots of limitations. We have no jurisdiction in some places also. That's why this report is not complete report. It is just only 20% of report. This is what he said. This is what. So on that basis, how can we believe? On that basis, since this report is incomplete, and then what he said, he expressed his inability, what he is saying for 1 year, that we are requesting, we are forwarding this case to central agency, to MHA, for inquiring its central agency. What does it mean? What does that mean in 1 year? What hell you are doing? This is a super flop. That's why we are saying that it is super flop. That is number one. And number 2 point, he said that while Gaurav Gogoi visited Pakistan in the year 2013, that time he was not MP. His father was Chief Minister of Assam, and he alleged that Gaurav Gogoi stayed 10 days continuously in Pakistan. But what he has done, what anti-Indian activities he has done there, that has not come to light as because that time UPA government. Fine. But I want to ask you, UPA government, but your government came in 2014. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and 2014 to this 2020, 12 years. Why the central government is still keeping mum? Why central agencies is still keeping silent? Your SIT is doing, why not Roy is doing this? If he has done anti-Indian anti-activities or this and that, as you alleged, that question, Chief Minister has no answer. And the third, some of the journalists coming from Delhi, national journalists, they have asked him one thing. What is that? CM said that this is a very, very serious threat to our country. If it is so, why you admitted that you got the SIT report on 10th of September. So 10th of September to this February, this 6 months, if it is you being a Chief Minister, you have compromised with the security of our country. You being a Chief Minister, since you have information, very serious information about the threat of our country, then why you are keeping mum? Why you are sleeping for 6 months? Why? He has no answer. He has no answer. He is sleeping for 6 months, waiting only because that there is hardly 1.5 months for the election. So this time he wanted to blast it as an atom bomb, but it is backfired. It has backfired. So people have now, everybody have now said that it is a super flop of Chief Minister. He is liar. Let us wait. Let us wait. Now you cannot tell Gaurav Gogoi is a Pakistan agent. You BJP cannot tell him because today SIT has not said this. SIT has said, SIT has referred this to the central agency. Let the report of central agency come and then you can raise this allegation. Okay? Thank you.
যিকোনো খবৰৰ বাবে যোগাযোগ কৰক আমাৰ এই নম্বৰত 9181 307 221